equal heights but different thickness are lighted. So here two candles of equal height but different thickness are lighted. The first one takes like 6 hours to melt and the second in 8 hours. How long after lighting both will the first candle be half the height of the second? So both they light at the same time. The first candle will be like half the height of the second. So let the time taken for the first one to become equal to half of the second B. So let the time taken by the first one to become the half of the second B. Like here you consider it as like x hours. You can consider it as x hours. So let they told equal heights. So height of both the candles B you can consider it as like y. So let the height of each candle be y centimeter. You can consider as like y centimeter. Both the candles of equal height, so you can take it as y centimeters. So first candle they told it melts in like 6 hours. Second one will melt in like 8 hours. So first candle melts y centimeters. Total length is how much? Y centimeters. Y centimeters in 6 hours. So first in 1 hour how much will it melt? First candle melts in 1 hour. 1 hour, see y centimeters in 6 hours. So in 1 hour it will be like y by 6 centimeters. But we are considering it as like x hours. So first candle melts in x hours. How much would it be like in x hours? It will be y by 6 into x. In 1 hour y by 6. In x hours how much? Y by 6 into x. So it will become xy by 6 centimeters. It melts this much. Now here height of the first candle after x hours. So total height was how much? Y. So from y in x hours it got burned this much. So how much is this? We will subtract. So height of the first candle after x hours will be y minus xy by 6 centimeters. So in the same way these 4 steps we need to write for the second candle. Now see for the second candle. Second candle melts y centimeters in 8 hours. This you can consider as equation 1. Now second candle melts y centimeters in 8 hours. Second candle in 1 hour it will be like second candle melts in 1 hour. It will be like y by 8 centimeters. Y centimeters in 8 hours. So in 1 hour it will be like y by 8 centimeters. Next, second candle melts in x hours. So y by 8 into x. So it will become like xy by 8 centimeters. So length of the, otherwise height of second candle after x hours, total length was like y. Now in x hours it got burned like xy by 8. So this is the height after x hours. Now given condition according to the question, they told height of the first candle after x hours is half of the height of the second candle after x hours. So here I'll write, so height of the first candle after x hours is half of the height of the second candle, height of second candle after x hours. So here height of the first candle after x hours, this is the first equation. So y minus xy by 6 is half of y minus xy by 8. So here if I'll take y common, 1 minus x by 6, if I'll take y common here, 1 minus x by 8, y and y will get cancelled. LCM is here 6 minus x, here half, here LCM is 8, so 8 minus x by 8, so 2 times 1, 2 times 3. So if we'll cross multiply, 8 into 6 minus x, 3 into 8 minus x. Now if we'll simplify here, 8 into 6, 8 6 48 minus 8x, 3 times 8, 3 8s 24 minus 3x. So minus 8x plus 3x is 24 minus 48. So minus 5x is minus 24. Minus minus cancel. So x is 24 by 5 hours. Our 24 by 5 hours we can write as 5 4s 20. 5 8s 4.8 hours. So how long the time means, it takes like 4.8 hours for the first candle to become half of the second candle.